guys, welcome back to Natural Tribe, where we teach young women how to achieve longer and healthier hair. So today we're going to be looking at how to style your twist. I know I did a braid, how to style your braids before. That's an old video, but so this is how to style your twist. Yeah, so if you want to look fly, dope, and sexy and sassy like me, then you should watch this video. Let's dive in. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm so excited. So our plans are to reach 100 subscribers. So if you can do anything to support this channel, or you love me, and I know I love you too, but if you want the channel to grow and succeed, please help us to tag and to share to friends. I said tag because I'm more of an Instagram person. So please help me share this to your friends. Help me spread the word, spread the love, spread the magic, spread the black African girl magic. Just share to your friends, your family, and subscribe. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button to get notified when I post a new video. And finally like, so YouTube is going to know that this video is relevant. Until next time, I love you, and I know you love me too. Bye.